Good morning, students. Today I have brought a beautiful prayer of happiness. If you are going sometimes hard times, or you are feeling there is no happiness in my life, so you can have this prayer daily in the morning or before going to the bed. So listen this prayer for happiness. Here I pray, I am born with the boon of happiness. I know the power of God and God's prayer. My existence on this planet as a human being is not an accident. I am happy. I have been created for definite purpose. I am born to do some significant task. I know for sure that there are many qualities within me. I am utilizing these qualities in my life to do the fullest. I have set my goals to do something worthwhile. I clearly know what I want to achieve and what I have to give back to the society as my contribution. I know that balance of success gives happiness and happiness gives peace of mind. I am being successful every day in one or the other field. I'm getting happiness in different ways every day. I am blessed with always happiness. I am always experienced with happiness and spreading happiness. I have a limited power. I choose to be happy. I use the power of my mind and the power of my mind completely. I am born with the boon of happiness. So be happy and thank God you have born as a human being to share happiness, to serve in the society, to give joy to others. And automatically the joy will come back to you. So thank you God for this class. So good morning students and welcome in the value education class. And today's our topic is happiness is an inside thing. Happiness is an inside job. We have to feel from inside. Develop the concept that happiness is mindset, attitude to life. You have to feel happiness. You have to do certain works which gives you freedom and you feel happy. Realize that happiness does not depend on others. Listen to your voice. Others maybe tell you about their own experience, their own sorrows. But you have to listen yourself, your inner voice, and do the things which gives you joy. The things, whatever you do, you feel happy to do these things. Realize the happiness within their reach. Learn to distinguish difference between lasting and passing happiness. Means happiness for a long time and happiness just for a minute, just for an hour. You do the things, you feel happiness, it's gone. And happiness for lasting. So here I am going to show you few pictures. You please watch these pictures and reflect these pictures and write in your notebook how we can show happiness or feel happiness by doing different works. See, there are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. Please write in your notebook, reflect these pictures and write in your notebook, what are these reasons to be happy? Sometimes you talk to the nature, to talk to the flowers, trees, and you feel happy. See how greenery you are watching. Your experience is greenery, sometimes rain. About seasons also, to look at the seasons and you are feeling happy to experience the coldness, pleasant weather, and you feel happiness. So please, after this picture, you have to share your experience with me. What could be the reason for the happiness of the people in these pictures? See, the girl is taking selfie. The girls are taking selfie and feeling happy because this girl is with both are friends. See, their happiness. They are showing happiness in different ways. You can view other pictures also. School-going students, school-going children, happiness. See, kids' happiness, playing with teacher. Students, you have to write in the notebook and after this picture, you have to share. Yes. Enjoying with schoolmates, classmates. Are you ready to trust yourself and do things your way? Happy inside and out. If you are not happy inside, how can you bring happiness to others? So students, I have shown you pictures. Now, you have to raise your hands and please share your views about this picture. What is happiness for you? Please share. Yes, students, raise your hands. Ekamdeep Kaur, unmute yourself. You have viewed the picture, watched the pictures, and please tell me about happiness. Ekamdeep. Okay, Mannat. Yes, Mannat. Unmute yourself, Mannat.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, speak loudly.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
for me, happiness means living living life fully, living a moment fully, taking everything in without any comparison, being sus-
Yes.
uh, being sus-
Yes, yes, speak.
being successful brings happiness to me. Happiness comes when you feel satisfied and fully fulfilled.
Yes,
Ma'am, happiness is
satisfaction.
something
Yes.
that makes
You
yes, ma'am.
feel like you
Ma'am,
have wings.
yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Happiness bring people closer. Happiness is the only thing by which a person or a living being can stay happy or fulfilled.
Yes. Good, good, Mannat. Please write these points in your notebook. Any other girl, please raise your hand. Good, it's good you are sharing your views. Please raise your hand, students. Yes, Bhavika. Please share your views. What are you thinking? What is happiness for you? What you have observed in these pictures, which I have shown you. Yes, but please share.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please share.
Ma'am, happiness is just when we live our life without anyone's like order or situations like when we fully live our lives.
Fully live a life. When sometime you are with your friends and you are feeling very happy. This is happiness means passing happiness. What is lasting happiness for you? If live long for you means whenever you think about that moment and you feel happy. Sometimes now you are sitting at home now in these times. Maybe some are missing school, school moments, and you are feeling happy. That is lasting moments. That is lasting moments. But when you are talking now on phone or with your friends or with relatives, that is you felt happy at that time talking with your friend and with the relatives. That is passing happiness. Okay. So if I will say what is happiness for me, happiness is a butterfly. When I'm very happy, I got success, and I have won something, I got something special. It's like a butterfly. I'm flying like a butterfly, which when proceeded is always beyond our grasp, but which if you will sit down quickly, if you sit silently, may alight upon you. Means then, when you think about that moment, it brings happiness for you. Means it's fully lively. Yes, students. Now, are you ready to trust yourself and do things your way? So happiness and unhappiness lies in the way we meet events, the way we perceive events to interpret them, and not in the nature of those events themselves. So I'll tell you the event. A traveler asked a shepherd, "What kind of weather are we going to have today?" The shepherd replied, "The kind of weather I like." The traveler reported, "How do you it will be the kind of weather you like?" The shepherd calmly replied and answered, "Having found out, sir, I cannot always get what I like. I have learned always to like what I get. What you are getting, please satisfy with that. So I am quite sure we will have a kind of weather I like." Yes, if you are satisfied with whatever you got, definitely you will get whatever you want. So happiness is, satisfaction is very must. You should know your limits and feel freedom to want and like. So God has given you, everybody, God has given everybody, God has, you have born with special qualities, and everyone is unique in this planet. So don't feel unhappy. You have certain qualities. So happiness is a perfume. You cannot pour on others without getting a few drops on yourself. First, you need to feel yourself happy. Then you can make others happy. See, Mother Teresa tells of a young Maltese girl who joined her order. You know Saint Mother Teresa. On the first day, she was sent to the home for dying. When she came down, she was radiant. Mother Teresa asked why she was so happy. The girl said, "Mother, I have held Christ in my hands for 3 hours." The happiness for girls was that she held Jesus Christ picture, Jesus Christ cross or something image in hands for 3 hours. So a happy person seems everything around him her as brighter, gay. Your living is determined not so much by what life brings to you, as by the attitude you bring to your life. What attitude? First, you love yourself. Think good for yourself. Throw about the hatred, worries, tensions. Then you feel happy. First, make yourself happy. Whatever you do, don't take pressure. Feel happy. Whatever you do, then you see the things are automatically will be success, and you will get success in life. that American author John Homer Miller is also sharing incidents. Two buckets went to the well. This is a miserable life, said one. No matter how full I am, when I come out of the well, I always go back empty. Dear me, said the other bucket cheerfully, joyfully. I never brought it of it like that. It seems to me so wonderful that no matter how often I go back to the well empty, I always come out full. Means if you give joy to others, again you are full of happiness. And in back you also get happiness. Means you are not empty. You are filled with more happiness. So, simple rules to be happy. Free your heart from hatred. Free your mind from worries. Live simply, give more, expect less. If you will give more, automatically you will gain more. Happiness is an undeniable fact that all are continuously searching for. Something that knowledge will bring happiness, and they pursue knowledge relentlessly. Some takes up an aesthetic way of life and renounce the pleasure of the world in search of happiness. Some other think physical well-being to doing physical activities and pleasure bring out happiness. They search for pleasure in different ways. Some behave that true friendship and companionship is a happiness, will bring happiness. If we loyal with our friends, is also a happiness. Hence, they yearn for one another and wait for being happy in one another's company. They are feeling one another's company very happy. So, students, I am coming back to you and I will ask certain things to you. You will tell me what are the passing happiness and what are the lasting happiness. Okay. Yes, students. Yes, students, you have to tell me and I will write here. Who will tell me? Yes, students. What are the passing happiness? Please raise your hands. Who will tell me about passing happiness? Raise your hand, students. Yes, Devjit.
Ma'am, when we are fully satisfied, we are happy, and when we try to make others satisfied, that is when we make others happy.
Whatever you get, give me one word. I'll give you a few minutes, one word. Passing happiness for a moment. Yes, Devjit, give me one word. When you get something, what you will get in on your birthday?
Ma'am, when we share our happiness or our satisfactions with others, that's when we make others feel happy too.
Means happiness in, you have to tell me the name of the thing. Please, anything you tell me. What you get and you feel happiness from your parents, from your friends, are going some way. Passing happiness we are asking about. Suppose on your birthday, you are getting gift. That you got gifts, you felt that I'm happy and happiness gone. Yes, Ashish Kaur. Thank you. Yes, Devjit. Ashish, unmute yourself. Tejasvi, you unmute yourself.
Ma'am, when we help a person who is in need,
This is
when
lasting
we help a
happiness.
needy person.
This is lasting.
Yes.
I'm asking about passing happiness. Means happiness for few minutes.
Ma'am, when we get a higher score in our subjects, we feel happy.
Yes, you get success in, you get first position, second position, है ना? At that time. But it is also lasting happiness. When we go for picnic, maybe that happiness. Am I right? One day
Yes.
happiness. Picnic. And sometimes shopping, you are going for shopping.
Ma'am, when we get something which we desired.
Yes. Gift. That is gift. Achieve. Achievement. Achieve something, achieve, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Something achieved. Yes, and sometimes praise. Praise also. Yes, praise. And just tell me the things, students, which are lasting happiness. You did once with good with others, and it for lasting, lifelong you cannot forget. When you remember that moment, you feel happy. Please, who will tell me? Mannat? Yes, Mannat. Very good. Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Satisfaction.
Satisfaction to what? What you did and you got satisfaction. You have to tell me the things, particular name.
Ma'am, sharing.
Sharing, yes, very good.
Ma'am, love.
Very good. Caring, yes. Love.
Ma'am, love. Yes, ma'am.
Love, yes. Yes. Caring also. Caring
Ma'am,
also. Caring, yes. Service also. To do something, helping something, help someone, helping the poor, give service to the society, do something for society, service. Yes, service. So this is happiness. Lasting happiness. This is lasting happiness. For live for long life. Yes, this is passing happiness. Gift you got at the moment and you felt happy, and after one day you forget. Picnic also, and that day you enjoyed. Shopping also. Oh, yes, I did shopping, achieved something for a moment, and praise, you got praise from someone. So these are the passing happiness and lasting happiness. So students, write in your notebooks these are also points. So I am going to share a song with you. So please have that song. And sing along.
Happiness, happiness is making others happy. Happiness, happiness is there for you and me. Happiness, happiness, you can buy with money.
So, okay, students. Till then, bye. We'll meet in next class. All the best. Bye-bye.